Have you been wondering if now is the perfect time to buy or sell in San Diego? The real estate market here has taken a few unexpected turns this March, and these turns just might change your plans. Stick around because what I'm about to share with you could surprise even the most seasoned experts. Hello, my name is Chris Spade with Keller Williams. If you'd like to know more about the San Diego market, any specific communities, first-time homebuyer programs, or anything else about moving to San Diego, please do me a favor, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you prefer, I place my contact information in the description below where you can call, text, email, or even book a call right into my calendar. All right, today we're going to break down the latest San Diego March stats for March 2025. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how the market is moving, why it's shifting, and most importantly, how can you leverage these insights to your advantage, whether you're buying, selling, or you're just simply curious about real estate trends. All right, so let's dive into the numbers from February 2025 to March 2025 and see what they're telling us. Now, the average sales price, we saw a jump from $1,143,000 to $1,178,000. That's a 5.5% increase. That's a solid uptick reflecting a strong buyer demand and limited quality inventory in many areas of the county. The median sales price also climbed from $875,000 to $897,000. That's about a 4.4% rise. This is significant because the median price points can provide a clearer snapshot of the middle of the market, often skewed by ultra-luxury properties and entry-level properties. Let's talk market time. Another key indicator is how long homes stay on the market. We dropped from 39 to 37 days, signaling well-priced homes are getting snapped up faster. Another clue demand remains robust. Price per square foot is moving up from $651 to $661, 3.9% increase. Confirms overall property values and desirability are inching higher. Now for sellers, this suggests you may be able to command more for your home if it's in good condition and it's priced competitively. Active listings, we're seeing at 5202 active listings. That's up from 5158. Also, this is a modest increase, but it's worth noting that active listings have grown by about 38.1% compared to earlier figures from this year. Now, this expansion in inventory might offer a bit more breathing room for buyers, though demand is still strong, so don't expect a drastic shift overnight. New listings up 8.6%. More homes hitting the market means more variety for buyers, but with continued demand, you'll still see and need to act decisively when you find the right property. Pending sales up 1.9% to 2,293. This is a small but steady increase, but it suggests homes are steadily going under contract, supporting the idea of stable and active markets. Let's talk about sold properties. We saw an 11% climb month over month. This jump in closed sales underlines that motivated buyers are out there successfully closing deals. Shows per listing, this metric jumped just slightly, but it's about 4 from 3.2 to 3.8. More showings per home indicates heightened buyer interest, an important sign that people aren't just browsing online, they're actually scheduling appointments and getting serious. So what does this all mean for you? Sellers, with prices rising and the market time shrinking, you may be in a great position to capitalize on the momentum. However, stand out from the competition. Strategic pricing and top-notch marketing can remain critical. Buyers, yes, this market is still competitive, but the new uptick in active and new listings might give you a little bit more selection than we saw in the dead of winter. So if you're thinking about buying, plan your finances, get pre-approved, and be ready to jump on opportunities quickly. So will this upward trend continue? While no one can predict the future with absolute certainty, these numbers suggest a steady, resilient San Diego market. So whether you're eyeing a single-family home or a downtown condo or something in between, staying informed gives you a very strong negotiating edge. So before we wrap up, I want to invite you to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell if you found this information helpful. By doing so, you stay in the loop on all things San Diego real estate, and it also helps my channel grow. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you for spending time with me today and getting the latest on San Diego's real estate market. So if you're ready to make a move, you need advice, or you just want to chat about your options, remember, my contact information is in the description below. Give me a call, text, or book time in my calendar. Whatever works best for you, I am so looking forward to helping you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.